Hello guys, welcome to your own channel Chess Radio Kolkata. Now I'm going to show you a 36 move miniature with Scandinavian defense. E4, D5, E into D5, Knight F6, Knight C3. That is the Scandinavian modern variation. Now Knight into D5, Knight into D5, Queen into D5. Okay. Knight F3, Knight C6, D4, Bishop G4, C4. Okay. Queen D7. Now Queen F5 was suggested by the angel. D5, attacking on my knight. Knight B4. Now here computer suggesting that Bishop into F3 was the best move. A3, attacking my knight. Knight A6. Now Bishop E2, long castle, short castle, H5, H3, attacking my bishop. Now Bishop capture H3. You can see. Now generally pawn capture H3 is the nominal move, but here is G3. So Queen into Bishop into F1. Now at the 13th move, exchange up. Bishop into F1, F6. Now engine is suggesting me to play E6 first, so that we can capture the queen or gobble up some pawns. Bishop G2, King B8. B4, Queen G4, C5, E6, Bishop E3. Now Rook into D5, Queen E2. Now here computer suggesting Queen C2 was the best move. Let's see what happens. Now after Rook into D5, it's Queen E2, but we will check if Queen C2, then H4 could be met. But let's see. Queen E2, now H4, Knight D4, Queen G3. Now Queen into E2 was the best move. Computer suggesting to exchange the queens. Bishop into D5, H into G3, F into G3. Now E into D5, Bishop F4, Knight into C5, B into C5, Bishop C5, Rook D1, Queen H7. Now you can see I am threatening checkmate on the H1 square. So Queen G2 protecting, G5, Bishop E3, Queen E7, Bishop F2, Queen E5, Knight F3, attacking my queen. Now Bishop into F2 check, King into F2, Queen B2 check, Rook D1, Queen into A3, Rook into D5, Rook E8, Rook D2. Now Queen F1 was the best move, but here I play Queen E3, and after King F1 I just play Queen E4. Now Rook F2, here you can say that is a forced checkmate, that is made in two. Guys, please comment. But I am using another strategy, that is removing the defender. Like whenever I push the G4 pawn, the remover of my E1 square is being removed. So it's Queen E1 checkmate, and only in 36 moves. you can analyze the game over here a little bit more. Like at this position, it really doesn't necessary to capture my rook. Here you can also probably capture with my knight. Now you can see my rook is on threat, my bishop is on threat, but although at this position I choose to capture the pawn. Okay, now you can see knight is moving over here, but right at this moment you can see how much critical is this point. Now you can obviously see that is g into f2 check. Now the second game, e4, e5, knight f3. Now still it is a king knight opening, king's knight opening. Now there is a normal variation, Italian game. Now bishop c4 start the Italian game. Now bishop c5 turn into the Giuco piano, short castle, knight f6, knight c3, d6, knight a4, bishop b5, knight into b6, a into b6, d4, e into d4, knight into d4, short castle, knight into c6, b into c6, bishop g5, h6, bishop into h6, g into h6. There is a sacrificing a rook. Now queen f3, bishop g4, queen g3, h5, f3, knight into e4, f into e4, b5. Now bishop d3, king h8, rook f4, queen d7, rook a to f1, rook into a2, h3, bishop e6. Now queen h4, rook g8, queen into h5 check, king g7, e5, king f8, rook f6, d into e5, queen h6 check, king e6, queen h7, rook a to a8, rook into e6 check, queen into e6. Now bishop f5, queen f6, bishop c8, queen g6, queen h4 check, f6, queen b4 check, king d8, bishop g4, rook a4, queen c5, rook into g4, 8 into g4, queen into g4. Now rook f2, and now you can see all the thread is closed. Like now black is attacking, queen d1 check, king h2, rook h8 check, king g3, queen g1. Now queen into c6, queen h2 check. Now king f3, queen f4 check, king e2, queen c4 check, queen into c4. Now at this position you can see queen trade is forced. Queen into c4, b into c4, rook into f6, rook h2, king f2, king e7. Now rook g6, rook h1, rook g7 check, king d6, g4. Now I start to push the pawn. Now rook c1, he wants to gobble up all my queenside pawns and make his pass pawn on the c4, g5. Now rook into c2 check, king e1, and rook into b2. Now you can see g6, now c3, rook f7, c2, king d2, king e6, rook f1, c5. Now g7. Now c1 equals to queen check. Now I need to capture the queen. King captures c1, rook b8. Now rook f8, forcing to exchange the rooks. Now rook capture f8 and g captures f8, turned into queen. Now that is the position. Now c4. Now queen g8 check, king d6, queen into c4, e4, king d2, e3 check. Now king into e3, king d7, queen a6, king e7, king e4, king d7, king e5, king c7, king d5, king d7, queen a7 check, king c8. Now you can see queen on the 8th rank. I just need to close down my queen like queen, king d6, king d8 and queen d7. That is the checkmate. Alternative also can be happen like queen a8 also with a check. So thanks for watching this game, both the games, and hope we will meet you soon. Bye bye.